next we are discussing about strings in R. So any value written within a pair of single quotes or double quotes in R is treated as string. Internally, R stores every string within double quotes even when you create them with a single quote. So we have already seen that when we have printed hello world. So rules applied in strings construction. The quotes at the beginning and end of the string should be either double quotes or both single quotes. They cannot be mixed. So double quotes can be inserted into a string starting and ending with single quote. Single quote can be inserted into a string starting and ending with double quotes. Double quotes cannot be inserted into a string starting and ending with double quotes. And single quote cannot be inserted into string starting and ending with single quotes. So in short, it means there should be the opposite types of quotes inside each other. You cannot have same type of quotes inside each other. So here is the simple example. Similarly, we have already printed the hello world. So we are just trying this content. So I am copying and pasting on R. So I have cleared the screen using Ctrl L command. Okay. So now it is, see here in B you have the start and end with double quotes. This is written, you can write any string here. It is stored in B and now we are printing, so we will be getting the same thing. Okay. Now we can have manipulation on the strings with different functions. First function is concatenating string. We can do it with the help of paste. Second, using format, you can give formats to numeric numbers or any other formats which are having multiple kinds of formats related to your type of R object. Then counting number of characters in a string, you can use mchar function, changing the cases to upper or to lower function, and extracting part of a string using substring function. So we'll try this on this R2. So one more thing, see there is a Control L to clear the screen. Okay, and there is one more command for help, getting help for any function. So in C you are having Control F1 if we are using turbo C. So in R you can have question mark and then just write the name of function, for example paste. So you are interested in knowing about the formats or syntax of paste. You just enter it. You will get one window where the help related to the ask function is provided. Okay. Okay. So you can see here, so it is a paste and you have to give the base. So what is the description of this function? It is used for concatenating strings and its description concatenate vectors after converting to characters. So this is very important. Whatever you are passing to this as an object to this function, it is first converted into characters. So these are the two formats for paste and paste 0, and with this you can write or you can do paste operation, that is concatenation operation. Now I'll just copy or one example here. So here multiple examples are given how to use this paste function. So you can try any of this here. Multiple functions are given here, so you can use this function. Suppose for example I am using this. This two I am copying and pasting here. See, so when you will be pasting first command, it is the thing which you wanted, so you are just pasting it. Since it is having no error, it is giving you the output. So what is the output? First, second and third, which are the separate strings, are get concatenated, okay, into a single string. You have collapsed the comma, so you'll be getting this kind of output. Now if you write paste first, second, third, comma separator is equal to comma. So with this what is happening? Here you have collapse comma and here you are trying to put the comma between the strings. So here first comma, second comma, third, like this the output will be shown. So likewise you can get multiple types of pasting options. Okay, one more thing, this is the range of values you can print. So if I am writing 1:10, I am just pressing enter key, what happened? So it is showing you a range of values starting with 1 ending with 10. Okay, so likewise you can use multiple values. Okay, now next option is, suppose I am having one string hello. Okay, now I want to convert it to uppercase. Okay, so I am passing this string to it. Just see what happens. It is showing you in uppercase. Similarly I can print, so it is already in lower case. Okay, so even if you will write here, it will show the original string. You will not get the difference. Okay, so if I am writing like this, you will be getting original hello. But if I want to test whether the hello is really worked or not, so what I am doing, I am converting A to upper and assigning it to B. Okay, now what is B? B is having uppercase of A, that is capital hello. Now if I am printing B, it is capital hello. Now I am trying to pass this B to lower. So what is expected now? So it is expected that the capitalized hello will be converted to small case. I hope you have understood this function as well. Next is the substring. So substring, how to use? Substring A, comma 2. What is A? A is the original string and comma 2. Just check the output. What happened? So it is preparing a string starting from second character. Now similar kind of function you have used in Java as well. Now what has happened? So you are passing original string as A and starting with 2, ending with the index 4. So what will happen? Second, third, fourth, these three characters will be considered as a substring of a given string. So I hope you have understood all the functions. So you can learn many more functions. This is just a simple or small number of functions I am telling you, because we have to move ahead with the many other things on R, and finally you have to execute a project. Okay, so I have told you how to get the help. Okay, and accordingly you can get help for any function. I hope you have understood it.